How to add TikTok drafts together. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily add TikTok drafts together. So first thing what you can do is just head over to your TikTok application, and under your draft section, to merge your drafts or add your drafts, you cannot actually directly do it as the TikTok doesn't allow you directly to do that. So in that case, what you can do instead is just come over to your draft, any of your draft, and click on next from over here, and make sure you save this post or share this post as a private. It means just come over to your this privacy settings and make sure you select this only you button for both of the video, and just click on share or post just like this. So once it get posted, it should be available to your private section. So once you come into your profile and click on this private option over here, you should be seeing all of your private videos over here. So to basically combine all of your drafts video, all you have to do is just come over to this private video and just click on this three dot icon over here, and make sure you save the video just like this under your gallery. Make sure you save both of the private videos just like this under your gallery. And now finally click on this plus button over here, and you can just now set up the time, or you can just click on this gallery section to find the recently downloaded TikTok videos. So as you can see, I've selected my recently downloaded TikTok videos, and I'll just click on next, and what it will do is basically merge the two draft videos simultaneously. And if it shows the TikTok icon, you can also edit it particularly and delete them, or delete the icon over from over there, and just like that click on next to post the complete video. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.